Hey guys, Coach Gonzalez here. Hope your first day of school went as well as it could go. I'm just going to help you navigate through my Canvas homepage. So whenever you log into Canvas and go to athletics, this is what you will see. And you can move the cursor around to different things and it'll take you to different links. So if you come up here to where the SY is Sports U, you click on that and it'll take you to a link that we're going to use in order to get out information to you. You'll also need a code to it, which I'll go over that more later on. But there's that. You come over here to rank 1 is what you'll need to use to fill out the 3 online forms in order to do any type of sports or when we're in person start working out. Come down here to the volleyball. There's it'll take you to a link that has different volleyball drills from YouTube for how to pass a volleyball, how to serve, and all the different steps for that. You scroll down more. Down here is a class schedule for Monday through Thursday. Remember, you'll log into Canvas and you have a lesson every day that you need to complete. Over here is the schedule for the live classes that you'll have where you'll need to dress out for those days in order to start working out. So starting on Friday, you need to dress in workout clothes that are school appropriate in order to do your classes on Friday. Down here is the Zoom link that you'll need for Friday, or if you have any questions throughout the week, you can log into that Zoom link, and these are the hours that I'm available on that Zoom link. You'll have to sit in the waiting room. Make sure that your name is a school appropriate name that is in Teams, so your first and last name that is in Teams. For when you log into the Zoom link, right here is a link that you'll go to for the physical forms for whenever you need to start working out in person. Then you'll need to click on this and it will take you to this right here, which is where your parents will fill out the medical history form. And then down here is the part that you'll take to a doctor, and the doctor will have to fill that out in order for you to start working out in person when we start doing the in-person workouts and the strength and conditioning. We will start strength and conditioning starting August 24th from 4:30 to 5:30 Monday through Friday for 2 weeks. We're going to start strength and conditioning after school. It's not mandatory, but you can come up there and start getting in shape a little bit. But you'll need this right here, the online forms, plus you will need these 3 rank 1 forms filled out as well in order to be able to do that. So hopefully that helps you out a little bit on how to navigate the courses throughout Canvas. If you have any other questions, please let me know.